Hey guys, so I got a health report back that Swift does. They kind of have this free thing where you can go every so often and they do some blood work on you. I'm really going to start trying to work on trying to exercise a little bit more. Some of the things came back not as good as I was wanting. I'm thinking I'm going to share my results with you guys. Actually, I am going to share my results with you guys. That's part of trucking, right? You know, we got to make sure we take care of ourselves. We got to make sure we take care of ourselves when we're out here. And lately, I've been eating a lot of junk food. I haven't really been cooking, as you guys have noticed. I haven't cooked. So I'm about to walk into Walmart. I'm going to try to figure out something to eat that's a little bit healthier than some of the stuff that I have been eating. And I'm probably going to pick up some running shoes. Going to try to get a little jog in. I got to figure out what I can do with my back though. Anyway, I'm going to get in the store and then I'll pick this up in a little bit. But yeah, I thought I'd update you guys on that. So yeah, the information will be posted at the back of this video. So stay tuned for that. Alright, I have no idea how good this picture is going to come out, but you know what? Doesn't matter. So I got a screenshot over here, but my cholesterol's kind of high, my blood pressure was a little high. The blood pressure, I think I was just stressed out that day. I had a lot going on, so I think that might be why my blood pressure was a little elevated. But you know what, it's not the point. So I just got back from Walmart. You know, you guys just watched the other clip. Got me some fresh broccoli, and that one has ice on it. Oh well. And then I got some carrots and got some spinach dip. I like spinach dip, so it's a good change. Got some bananas over here, so I'm eating like a rabbit today, but I got some bread. Just gonna eat a little bit healthier. Going to try to cut out some of the junk food. This right here is good little snacking, which is gonna be perfect for what I need to try to do. I'm also gonna try to cut out some more soda. You know, I was really good about not drinking soda, but the last few months I kind of went back into it. So I'm gonna cut the soda back out and kind of see how that helps. I'll keep you guys updated. I think exercise is going to be number one though. And I was looking over at my phone. You know, I have the Samsung, and it keeps track of your exercise. Sad to say, but I haven't really been doing as much exercise as I kind of thought I was. So I'm going to work on that a lot, try to make sure I get some of that up. Not really the most fulfilling video, but you know, my student's getting a lot of driving done right now. My work truck is having a issue. You guys could actually probably see that. You know, got some check engine lights on. They've been doing some work on it, and basically injector number 7 is not working. So you know, I should call them. They need to order the number 7 injector. The shop guy last night said it would take them about an hour to put it in, so that's not bad. I mean, not an hour, 15 minutes to put it in, so it's not really a big downfall. But they cleaned it out 3 times now. Last night being the 3rd time, and it's still not working. And if you're on my Facebook, that's also when you found out that my truck's not working, or it wasn't working. And somebody suggested the alternator. The alternator is actually perfectly fine. What it actually turned out to be, I'm going to use that there. What it turned out to be is the cables that go from the battery down to the starter, the crossover cable, and the battery terminals, they need to be replaced. So I was looking online, and that cable is expensive. So I'm actually going to make my own. And so I haven't ordered the parts yet. I can make it work temporarily. But I am going to start ordering some parts for that truck. So I'm going to be piecing together, you know, some video clips of working on that. I'm not going to do like a gazillion uploads for it. So there'll be some of that coming out. Might take some stuff that I have in the my work truck, in the semi, put it in that truck, get a little bit more room. Might do a barbecue soon. Especially if I'm going to be working on it. That's going to be a couple hours, so I can, you know, cook up some hamburgers or something. Or maybe not hamburgers, I got to watch my fat. But something. We'll do something. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, rate, and subscribe. Not the best video, but you know what? Sometimes in trucking, things are a little slow. Even though lately things haven't really been that slow. But so is trucking. So, thank you for watching it. Have a good one.